What's up guys, HotCoder 3000 here with another coding tutorial here. So first let's create a basic print command to say hi to the user. There we go, let's just run it to see if it works. Of course it does.
Hey son, come and have some cookies.
Shut the F up mom. Anyway, the sponsor for today's video is North American Balls Cancer Healthcare. Alright, back with coding now, let's make a simple ping pong game. As you guys can see, my code now has an error. Let's see how to fix it. Well guys, if this video reaches 1 billion likes, I am gonna make a video where I travel and meet SenseiCoder69 and ask him the solution for this. If you wanna see that video, like and subscribe. Until next time.